When it comes to Karnataka, Deputy CM DK Shivkumar has made a sensational claim. He's been saying that his political detractors are conducting an animal sacrifice ritual to topple the Congress Sarkar in Karnataka. DK Shivkumar asserting that the anti-government yagya recently was performed in Kerala and was conducted on the orders of a politician he refused to name. He claimed that a red goat, 21 buffaloes, 3 black sheep and 5 pigs were killed as part of this ritual.
ದೊಡ್ಡದು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಜಾಗ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ಪೂಜೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಶತ್ರು ಭೈರವಿ ಯಾಗ ಕೇರಳ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಆಸುಪಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಯಾಗ ಶತ್ರುವಿನ ಸಂಹಾರ ಯಾಗ. ಅವರೇನೇ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ನಂಬಿರುವಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಪಾಡಿ.
Deepak, how do we understand the statement that has been made by the Deputy CM?
Well, it's not a statement that you often listen to, especially, from politicians, do we? And here it is the Deputy Chief Minister who comes back from Delhi. He's briefing the media about, the MLC elections and, of course, the choice of candidates, the list that has been given to the AICC. And following which, he pulls out parchment. He says that he's gotten information about, a yajna being conducted against him and his government by certain individuals. He says he has all the information about it. Now, it was in an indirect manner and hint that it could be the Revanna family or the JDS who's actually going ahead and doing something like this, considering the fact that they have been blaming him for this entire fiasco and saying that he was the one who leaked the Revanna tapes. He, of course, hasn't named them, but we saw in an instant a reaction of sorts that came in from, the JDS, especially from the Kumaraswamy faction, which went ahead and released the videos saying that while Mr. Kumaraswamy alleged that there was somebody who was sitting in Kerala and performing these rituals, so that, they can put an end to him and his government, the videos that emerged of Mr. Kumaraswamy and his family holidaying in Kabini soon emerged, and this was a quick response to Mr. DK Shivkumar's statement. Now we'll really have to see whether Revanna will have anything to say about this, though of course no names have particularly been put out, but it seems like an indirect hint at them that they are going ahead and performing these rituals to target DK Shivkumar and the Congress government. And at this point in time, the Home Minister as well has responded to it and said that this is a
we'll just play out that
personal
reaction first, Deepak. We'll talk about him, but we'll play out his reaction first on what the State Home Minister has to say.
ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬೀಳೋದು, ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬರೋದು ಆದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಯಾಗನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ
ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus technology से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स. टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.